Hey, it's Chris from Harmony Honda, and we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2013 Honda Pilot Touring. Under the hood, we have a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. This Pilot has just had the timing belt replaced, has been fully serviced, has low kilometers, and comes with running boards and 3M rock guard. Moving on inside, we've got a nice conditioned interior with leather seats, steering wheel mounted phone audio and cruise controls, a trip computer, backup camera, Honda audio system, automatic tri-zone climate control, heated seats, and a sunroof. Moving on back, we've got seating for 3, and these seats fold down for extra storage space. And for the rear passengers' comfort, we have rear air vents and a rear climate control console. And for their entertainment, we have a roof-mounted DVD player. Looking on farther back, we've got seating for 3, and these seats also fold down for extra storage space. And in the very back, we've got a spacious cargo area with a cargo tray. This Pilot comes with safety features including driver's side airbags, dual airbags, side airbags, side curtain airbags, anti-lock brakes, and vehicle stability assist. Thank you for checking out this video of this pre-owned 2013 Honda Pilot Touring. Here at Harmony Honda, we stand behind the vehicles we sell, and we guarantee that you will be satisfied, which is why we offer a 30-day or 2,500 kilometer no-hassle exchange policy for your peace of mind. We have a family-friendly, low-pressure environment, and we don't charge documentation fees or any other hidden charges. Harmony Honda is located at 2550 Enterprise Way in Kelowna, BC. If you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to leave a comment below, or come on in and see for yourself why we are the dealership with the #1 customer satisfaction in the Okanagan Valley. Thanks for watching.